Welcome to day 3 of our mental health superpowers. Yes, each day this week for Children's Mental Health Week, we are putting a mental health superpower to the test and trying it out for size. Get your download pack using the link here if you haven't got yours already. Now, our third power helps us defeat a naughty mind monster that can crop up every now and again and make us think we can't do something. We're not good enough. We haven't got what it takes. Well, I can't monster. What if we turn that around and flip the chicken to say, I can? What do you think about that then? Here's more about how and when we can deploy the I can power.
Have you noticed there's one thought that can pop up over and over again, especially when we're trying something for the first time? So, just imagine you are trying to do something, anything, balancing on one leg, reading a new big word, lying or sitting still, or solving a puzzle. As you try, often, quite soon after you start, a very little but powerful thought pops into your mind. I can't do this. And we all get this when we try something for the first time. And the best way to make the I can't thought go away is to think, oh yes, I can. The I can't thought is like a little naughty monster who will suddenly jump in and make you feel all weak and annoyed and maybe even frustrated with what you are doing. All he ever says is, oh no, you can't. When the I can't monster appears and all these hard feelings start, it becomes even harder to do what you are doing. More thoughts appear. I'll never be able to do this. This is a waste of time. I'm bad at this. And each of these thoughts make it harder to do what you are trying to do. The I can't monster is always ready to jump out when you do something new, something for the first time. He's rubbing his hands together, just waiting for things to get difficult, which they always are when you first try something. So, be ready for him. The next time you are trying to do something, see if you can spot the very second the I can't monster pops into your head. When you spot it, smile to yourself, because just by spotting it, you will be able to squash it. And the thing that really squishes him is when you say back to him, oh yes, I can. Then he disappears into a puff of smoke. The more you practice saying, oh yes, I can, the weaker he becomes, and you get stronger and stronger. This is a Zen master skill. It means turning your I can't thought into a I will keep trying until I can thought. That's called positive thinking, and with that you will succeed. Learning to do anything just takes practice. And practice means doing it over and over again. I hope the next time you spot an I can't thought, you remember this. That you can tell the I can't monster, oh yes I can. I know you can. Keep up the practice to become a true Cosmic Kids Zen Den master. Bye bye.
There's no stopping you now. Watch the full video and get loads more by downloading your free Superpowers pack.